Let's go on with our tutorial. What we can improve now is the light system. We can change it from the rendering library. Let's widen our library pane and move the panel of the predefined views. We choose the Light Studio tab. In Predefine, we find the lights for the illumination of objects. Among these, we select the low contrast lights. We choose Key Distant with Back, and by a double click, we insert it in our model lighting. From Light Studio, we select Edit, and we can see it's composed of 3 lights: a background point light, a diffused ambient light, and a key distant light. We can display this system of lights by activating All Lights Preview from More Options. Now we reduce and rotate the image so that we can analyze it better. The first light is a key distant light. The second one is a point line for backlighting. We can see the characteristics of each light. For instance, the key distant light is used to generate shadows which are active, as we can see. Now we close the command, reposition the predefined views panel, and select Fit View. Clicking on the rendering button, we choose the rendering mode among the 3 available ones: a quick preview, an accurate mode, ray tracing, and finally, final gathering, the best mode to get the final image, but is the slowest one. By the preview, we can see directly in the ThinkDesign window how the object looks like, and we move it by using once more the predefined views. Now we deal with the application of a decal. For instance, we want to apply an inscription on the intermediate part of the rods of our glasses and apply the decal command. We click Surfaces and select the internal surface of the rod. We rotate the glasses and select the external part of the rod. Then we are going to choose an image that we have specifically prepared, the ThinkDesign inscription, and we open it. The image is mapped on the surface according to this orientation. We don't necessarily find it already oriented. However, we can tune the mapping, both adjusting the scale, that we can edit also in value, and going to adjust the reflections along the curvilinear abscisses. So, we turn upside down S and T to get the inscription so that it's readable. We can already see the preview. Our inscription has already been applied on the rod of the glasses. In More Options, we can show the image in its pure color, without altering the coloring of the image. From Import Material Data, we choose Red Frame. So we take the characteristics of the materials used for the frame, and we notice that the effect is not actually the one we expected, since we imported bumps as well, that in this case have a negative effect on the image. We remove them, replacing rough with none, keep the material reflectance to Phong, so, at this step, the effect is more realistic. We apply the changes we made, and without closing the command, we select the external surface of the rod on the other side. We rotate the glasses, click on the internal surface, position our object, and enlarge the rod. Here as well, we are going to adjust the way the inscription appears. In this case, the mapping must be turned upside down only with respect to T. Let's make a preview. Once we are satisfied, we confirm the command. Now we have got our object with some more realistic effects, and we watch it from different points of view by the predefined views. So, there is a final result after applying the decal, and we save the model.